Today we are making this deer-shaped notebook, and I use the Cricut and the Cinch. So I cut everything out already using my Cricut maker, and I'm going to go ahead, and this is my cover. It's different from this one, the Plaid, but I think it's cute. I love this paper. That's a flannel collection from Simple Story, Simple Flannel. And so all I'm going to do is glue this on the chipboard. I cut out 2 pieces of chipboard. I will share the file. Just understand the file is free if you have design space. I believe one of my subscribers, she doesn't have design space, and so she had to pay for one of my files. I feel bad about that, but yes, the files are free if you have design space. So anyway, I made everything on my Cricut maker, and I used the mini cinch for all of you that have the mini cinch, and it was super easy. It would be easy to make it on the big cinch as well, but I just did it on the mini cinch. That's not lined up exactly. Oops. Okay. Well, keep going. Okay, and then here's my back cover, the inside and the outside. So this paper is absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. I love working with it. I don't have a lot of it. I only have the one collection. So, and there's 12 pages and a sticker sheet in the collection. And that is it. This collection, I will definitely use it up. There's a ton of cut-aparts, a ton of cut-aparts in the collection, so you could actually make some cards. But the colors are gorgeous. I mean, they're not traditional Christmas, but they are gorgeous for sure. And definitely that woodland Christmas feel. Okay, I am just going to continue on with my gluing, and I think my glue's stopped up. Okay, that happens. We know it happens all the time. We deal with the stopped up glue all the time. I wish we could find a solution for that. Okay, so here's my front cover and my back cover. I have 20 pages cut out. I do need to finish the deer on the front cover. So he is definitely paper pieced. I'm going to put that front cover aside for a few minutes, and we will work on the deer. You'll notice that I used some glitter paper, gold paper on one side. So this is what has to go first. His little face. By the way, I am going to use a Uniball white pen to mark in the highlights for the eyes and the nose. This file does cut out small pieces of white paper, but my Cricut kind of tore them up because they were way too small. So I don't think you really need to cut those out, just like the berries. So the Cricut cuts out these small white pieces and the berries. Well, they're so small, my Cricut tore it up. So I just added glitter glue and pops of color. Okay, that's what I used. Okay, so let's keep going. This piece needs to go here. We're going to take that piece, And you notice I cut it on my gold paper. I accidentally used up my gold paper for that. I didn't realize that it was gold on the other side, but hey, it works. So guys, I do use a wet wipe to wipe up all the excess glue. Paper does dry, so it's not going to hurt it. Just a tip, okay? All right, so I need to figure out I know this one goes on this ear, right here. And then this one's going to go over here. And then this one's going to go on this side, this one's going to go on that side. Okay, just have to figure it out. The paper piecing is fun, but sometimes I don't get it right. That's why I place it first. Oops. You guys, you could decorate the deer in so many ways. You can add a little bow. That would be cute. Little bow on one of the ears if you wanted to. That would be cute. If I can find my bows, I might do that. And instead of using the holly pieces, you could put your own thing, whatever you wanted, a bow collection, holly, in this area, you could do that. So you can see right here, you can go ahead and add your own. You could do some floral, you can do all kinds of things with this. You don't have to just do what is on here. Okay, this didn't cut out very well, and I'm going to trim it up. So I'm just going to have my little detail scissors and get in here and trim it up. Sometimes that happens, and you just have to fix it. That's okay. This is coming along really nicely. So, okay. All right. Let me get my holly pieces. And guys, I should have cut these out in glitter cardstock. I wasn't thinking they would be absolutely beautiful in glitter cardstock. See real quick. Okay. So these are fun to put together. Not really. Trying to figure out where they go. Let's see. I think this one's going to go over here. I'm going to go ahead and put it there. That way I don't mix it up. So this one is right over here. All right, the next one I believe is here. Yes, that is correct. Let me make sure that, nope, it's gonna go like this. Okay. This is the hardest part of this, because once we get to the cinch binding, it goes by so fast. Don't you think this little journal would be great for a stocking stuffer or just a gift in general? Okay, and then what would you use it for? Comment below and let me know what you would use it for. Okay, one last little holly. Okay. So you definitely could put your own holly here. Now, the middle, you can go ahead and I'm going to use pops of color, but I'm only going to do that once the whole album is put together. Okay, so let's audition the deer on here. Oh my goodness, look at those colors. How gorgeous. Yes, I'm going with that. I could have gone with this. Nope. I mean, it would be cute, but I'm going to go with this. And with that in mind, you could actually make your holly gold, since there's no red on the front of this. You could actually make your holly gold. And I may do that. I may end up using the little foam balls. Let me see. We shall see. Okay, let's get this glued. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. I love it. That is cute. Just want to make sure everything's glued. Okay, now I'm just going to do some highlights. I'm going to put a little highlight over here on the nose, and then a highlight. You just draw a little circle. It'll make it easier for you, and then do the highlight, and then the same over here. That one's a little off, but I'll touch this up once I get everything cinch bound. Okay, let's go ahead and grab the cinch. Let me move some stuff around, and we'll grab the cinch and we'll go from there. Okay. I'm using the mini cinch. So these are 4.5. Okay. I made the little rectangle 4.5 inches wide. So all you have to do is line it up. On the left side is where you're going to be able to line it up, and then it should be even. It should be even. So I'm going to go ahead and punch all 20 pages. I'm lining it up on the left side at 4.5 and punching. Okay, there's not a lot, so I'll go do all of them on camera today, so you can see the entire process, minus me cutting it on the Cricut Maker. One day I'll figure out how we can have that Cricut Maker on camera, and at least my computer, so you can see how to make the file. These files are easy though. Guys, you can take any image and make a rectangle that is whatever the height you want your notebook by 1.5 inches. Okay, that's how you make that to go on your notebook, so you can actually cinch bound the shaped notebook. Okay, all right, and my front and my back are the same. Let's go ahead, and they're 4.5 as well. Okay, and then 4.5, and I'm measuring on the left. Yeah, I didn't get that on there straight. Oh well. Okay, so let me get my ring. 6 rings, of course. Okay, and I'm just going to put my pages. You can clean up your pages for sure, especially, you know, definitely clean up your pages if it didn't cut out all the way. Clean up those holes. I'm not going to do that because right now it'll take us too long. And then here's your front cover, here's your back cover. And then, of course, place this in there. and crunch and make sure that these are closed, and they are. And then here's your little deer album, and I will decorate it. Let me go ahead and grab the gold balls and see what that would look like. Actually, I don't have any, but I'm going to do, let's see what these would look like. These little, I'm kind of concerned that these are going to get messed up though. Yeah, they would. So I'm not going to decorate it right now. I will do that off camera because it takes a while for it to dry. But all you would have to do is you can add some flowers. You can add the, you know, little gold beads or whatever you want to the front. And then here's your little album. How cute is that? Okay, guys, have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.